At first glance, your windshield might appear to be a simple piece of glass, but it's much more than that. It's a complex piece of technology, and it's integral to the safety and performance of your Toyota. That's why you should always ask for a Toyota Genuine Windshield if your windshield needs replacing. And in the event of a collision, you have the right to tell your insurance company where you would like your vehicle repaired. Toyota Genuine Windshields have been custom engineered for each Toyota model and are designed and tested to meet Toyota's rigorous standards for fit, safety, reliability, and quality. It's the perfect choice to guard against things like leakage, wind noise, imprecise fits, and optical distortions. Your windshield is also a vital part of your vehicle's safety system. On newer Toyota models, many of the vehicle's advanced technologies only operate properly when using the sensors and electronics of the correct and properly installed replacement windshield. Your Toyota Genuine Windshield integrates with Toyota's advanced vehicle technology and safety systems like Toyota Pre-Collision, Dynamic Radar Cruise Control, and Lane Departure Alert. Other advanced technology that depends on the proper windshield include rain sensors, head-up windshield display projectors, windshield de-icer heating elements, and UV protection and lamination for optical quality and noise reduction. It's also important to have expert technicians recalibrate the camera that operates these safety systems when your replacement Genuine Windshield is installed. There's a lot more to windshields than meets the eye, and that's why asking for a Toyota Genuine Replacement Windshield is your best option for ultimate performance.